morning, everybody. Lauren here. And today we are technically off pavement, so that counts, but we're not really camping. In some ways, this is kind of a prep for camping because we'll be getting a little firewood out of the deal. But I thought somebody might be interested in knowing, hey, this is what kind of goes on when I'm not off on some adventure up in the hills somewhere enjoying the views. So I feel pretty fortunate that I've been able to live out here where most of us would go camping anyway. It's, you know, there's trees and fresh air and plenty of space between neighbors. This is really a privilege to be able to live here and to be able to do some chores around here. So today I just thought maybe if you want to follow along, I'm cutting down some of these alder trees that kind of threatening the road. And of course during the winter when it snows, they bend way over the roadway and sometimes they break. So there's some dead ones and dying ones and some that are just kind of a plain nuisance, and they're just going to get to be more of a nuisance as they grow larger. So today's the day. Eventually we'll probably take out a lot more of these, but just for today I'm doing the ones by the road, and just thought if you guys want to tag along, you can watch me cut a couple down and drag a couple away and watch me play on the new tractor. All right guys, well hey, thanks for tuning in. Enough yapping, time to get to work. Well, okay, that's the fun part. Now I got to clean up my mess. So in case anybody cares, I'm using a Stihl MS260. Just a nice lightweight little saw for doing this kind of stuff. It's not big timber here and it's alder, so kind of soft and cuts easily. So I didn't feel like lugging the big 440 around. 440's handy for the big stuff, but you know, what's the old saying, work smarter, not harder? So if there's one or two things I can do that make me feel smarter, well, then it's a win for me. Beautiful spot and a beautiful day. All right. I keep saying I'm not going to babble anymore and get to work, but I keep finding excuses to stop working and keep talking. So I'm going to zip it, get to work. Well, guys, you can see the devastation today. These are the trees that were leaning over the road. Now you might be wondering, why did I cut the stump so high? Well, I don't know if you can see this or not, but I got one over here to show you. So this one right here, because it's so tall, I'm able to push on it with my smaller tractor and get some leverage. We'll be able to pull that whole root wad out of the ground. Alders have a tendency to start springing up and growing again if you don't pull them out. They'll start little shoots up from the root system. Anyway, it's nice to get these things off from hanging over the roadway. And so now it'll be a nice, inviting, open, airy, safe road here to the Pavement Ends World Headquarters. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun today. The sun's going down, so it is. As soon as the sun disappeared, it got cold again. I think it'll be another frosty night. So anyway, that's it here for now. Hopefully you'll be able to join me when we actually go camping again. So until then, I'll see you guys out on the back roads. Thanks for watching.